Oh yeah, so I teach Ojibwe at Bemidji State University. We've got 3 years of sequenced Ojibwe language courses and some other courses on instruction of Ojibwe, and we're gonna get going with an Ojibwe Teacher Training Program. My part of the teaching, I do teach a lot of language classes, although I do sometimes teach some of the other Indigenous studies classes and things like that. For the most part, I'm the language guy. Within like the demography of my classes, within Indigenous studies, I have lots of students of all kinds of backgrounds. We actually require all BSU students to take a class in Indigenous studies. So that's everybody of all backgrounds. So that's been impacting who's taking the classes. I would say for me, like the majority of my students still tend to be Native. There's a very healthy group of non-Native folks who are taking those classes, and in the Indigenous studies classes, there are even more non-Native students doing that. I think honestly, if you want to be a good police officer and you're in the criminal justice program, that's really helpful information to know about who you'll be policing. You know, if you're going to work in this northern Minnesota. Same thing if you want to be in education, knowing who you're going to be educating and something about all the diversity and demography here is really helpful. So there are lots of people who don't just do the minimum, they want to do a lot more. Same thing in health professions, any number of things. People are tired of being caught flat-footed because nobody told them. They want to learn.